Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.
For the nose mask, I'm happy you're doing that. Let them see your beautiful face, your handsome face. That's it. I'm going to hand over the microphone to you, Mr. Governor. I'll hand it over to you to. Oh, fantastic. Yes,
well, thank you very much, my brother, Chief PC for Latino. Let me first use this opportunity to thank everyone for coming here this morning, afternoon, to join the Ogun State family in thanking God Almighty for the exemplary, successful, distinguished life of an illustrious son of Ogun State, evangelist, Professor Ebenezer Fabiyi. Well, the task this morning is very simple. I've been joined by Her Excellency, the First Lady of Lagos, representing my brother, the Governor of Lagos, and Her Excellency, the wife of the former president, representing the former president had to leave. Our father, an icon, the paramount ruler of Egbaland and Alaki, Kabiyesi, Oba Adedotu, and all other Kabiyesis are here supporting Kabiyesi, and we know the Lord and Kabiyesi, the Oshire, Oba Adedotu Osho. We will be seeing to it that the Grand Commander does justice to this cake under my watch. I'll have the honor and privilege to supervise the cutting of this cake. I was telling Grand Commander that, for me, it's a privilege to sit right next to him and join him in celebrating his 80th. When I was a young boy in my early teens, I used to scale my school fence to go and watch him play. I didn't know that one day I'll be his governor. So, at the spelling of Jesus, who we all know that the Grand Commander serves very well, regardless of the fact that he spent the early part of his years being a musician, continued by being an evangelist, and he has been watering the Lord's vineyard. So we'll spell Jesus, and at the last letter, the Grand Commander will cut the cake. So give me a J. Give me an E. All of us should please stretch our hands towards this cake. Those of us that are not close enough, stretch your hands. Those that are close enough, you can hold Grand Commander's hand as well. So we're all cutting the cake with him. So give me an S. Give me a U. Give me an S. Jesus.
Put your hands together.
Birthday to you.
Let's all rise for that, please. Everybody in the audience would rise for this. If you want to be 80, be on your feet.
Let us rise and sing.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to. Where are the musicians? And Susie.
May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you.
Well, do we need to wait for them? Let us sing along then. Let's sing along. May the good Lord bless you.
May the good Lord
God bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you.
we wish you many happy returns of the day, long life and prosperity. Hip, hip, hip.
Hooray!
Hip, hip, hip.
Hooray!
Hip, hip, hip. For he's a jolly good fellow. For
He's a jolly good fellow. For he's a jolly good fellow.
and
And
so,
so say on.
say all of us.
Hooray!
And so say all of us. For he's a jolly good fellow. For he's a jolly good fellow. For he's a jolly good fellow. And so say everyone. Thank you.
I'm told that the popular request for the music to commemorate this birthday is Grand Commander's Enilojo Ibie. I hope you know it. Do you know the song?
I'm not sure
Ìlọ́jọ́
they're ready
ìbí
yet.
ẹ, ó kú àṣeyẹ bàbá, ẹ̀mí ẹ̀ṣọ́ ọkọ ẹ̀ o.
Wọ́n ti ready.
Bàbá kọ́rẹ́dì kí àwọn ọmọ bàbá òbí wà ní ìbáyìí tá a bá wọn kọrin.
Ṣé wọ́n kọ? Wọ́n lè kọ. Birthday to you. Congratulations.
Happy birthday to you.
Eh.
Congratulations. Happy birthday to you. Congratulations. Happy birthday to you. Oh yeah, ẹ̀kọ́ olórin ẹ̀kọ́. Okay, we are going to sing it now.
Happy birthday to you. Very happy return.
Chief Abiola Oguno, who came all the way from Iwo Kingdom, thank you very much. He's over 80. So he's come here to also receive a member of the octogenarian family. Thank you very much, Chief Abiola Oguno, for coming from Osun State, our state. Thank you.
I will shift Comander Ebenezer. I was on the other day. Abiola Ogudokun. Ẹni lọ́wọ́ láyé mọ́, Èdùmàrè fún mi ní tèmi. Kì má ṣàṣìbí wáyé, kì má ṣàkóbá àtàfẹ́ gbọ́.
Ẹni lọ́wọ́ láyé mọ́, Èdùmàrè fún mi ní tèmi.
Kì má ṣàṣìbí wáyé, kì má ṣàkóbá àtàfẹ́ gbọ́.
Abiola Ogudokun. Bàbá dáadáa, àṣà fòfẹ́rẹ́rẹ́ nítorí bó ṣe ní. Àwòdì fòfẹ́rẹ́rẹ́ nítorí bó ṣe ní.
Ẹni lọ́wọ́ láyé mọ́, Èdùmàrè fún mi ní tèmi. Kì má ṣàṣìbí wáyé, kì má ṣàkóbá àtàfẹ́ gbọ́ mi.
Mami tó jẹ. Màmá mi dáadáa, ṣe Bọ́lá Ọbásanjọ́. Bọ́lá o, Bọ́lá o, Bọ́lá Ọbásanjọ́.
Bọ́lá o, Bọ́lá o, Bọ́lá Ọbásanjọ́.
Aṣíwájú onígbà gbogbo gbogbo òkùnṣe ní ti lẹ́tọ̀ àwọn Dapo Abiodun. Ọmọ kábíyèsí Adédàpọ̀ tẹ́jú ọṣọ́ ọṣìlẹ̀ òkè ọ̀nà ní ti lẹ́tọ̀ kọ́ ni.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.